Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Sign into the same Apple ID on every Apple device you plan to sync. Use the exact account for iPhone, iPad, and Mac to ensure seamless syncing. On iPhone, open Settings, then tap your name and choose iCloud. On Mac, open System Settings, then Apple ID, then iCloud to enable services. Check iCloud storage, because Apple provides 5 GB free and syncing large libraries may require more. If needed, subscribe to 50 GB for /bin/sh. 99/month or higher plans to avoid upload pauses. Open iCloud Photos and toggle the setting on each device to enable syncing. Choose Download and keep originals on devices with ample disk space. Alternatively, select Optimize iPhone storage to save space while keeping full resolution in iCloud. Connect to a stable Wi-Fi network and plug your device into power during the initial upload to avoid interruptions. You can allow uploads over cellular in settings if you accept potential data charges from your carrier and if your plan supports large transfers. Organize photos in the Photos app and create albums that automatically sync. Use shared albums when you want to share selected photos with other Apple ID quickly. Access your full library from iCloud. Com photos on any browser if a device is unavailable. If syncing stalls, sign out of iCloud, then sign back in or reboot the device to trigger a resync. Check device updates, free storage, and Wi-Fi quality if problems persist, and study iCloud settings for upload status and error messages.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.